Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Royal Knowledge and Royal Secret. Chapter 9, Shloka 31. Soon he becomes righteous and attains eternal peace. O Kaunteya, know for certain that my devotee is never destroyed.
Chapter 9, Shloka 31. Kshipram bhavati dharmatma sashvachantim nigacchati kaunteya pratijanihi name bhakta pranashyati.
Chapter 9, Shloka 31. How do we know that what you are talking is not a bluff? What exactly is the effect of such a single pointed devotion? The daring assertion of the Lord is being supported by some logical thoughts. Dharma is the law of being. It means the divine self in the individual, without which none of the personality layers can function, and is different from a man of righteousness. With single pointed contemplation, the subtlety of perception of the mind increases to a point where it can withstand the meditative heights, and the peace becomes dense. This is from beyond the regions of life within ourselves, so not affected in spite of modifications of life. The perfection indicated is as far away from us as the waking state is from our dream. Where to reach and how to reach is also stated, and to the one who has rightly resolved, Lord says, my devotee is never destroyed. The Upanishads also advise all seekers to not only live what they have been taught, to continue to educate themselves, but also to preach what they know and what they live. The seeker can in turn declare to others that the seeker of nobler values shall have no failure if his resolve is firm and if he be sincere in his self-application. Just as a blue street light adds a blue tinge to the color of the dresses of all those who pass under it, irrespective of the actual color of their various dresses, continuous awareness of the divine principle affects the rest of the seeker's mental field. Even the criminal thoughts that rise in the mind and marks him out for progress within and without. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjot Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.